Welcome back to the channel. See our new model, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most surprising luxury coupes making a comeback, the 2026 Buick Riviera. Sleek, futuristic, and packed with luxury engineering, this new Riviera isn't just a car, it's a modern masterpiece that blends American heritage with next-generation innovation. In this video, we'll take a deep look at the complete exterior, explore the premium interior, open up the hood for the full engine overview, and end with our final verdict. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2026 Buick Riviera brings back the legendary coupe shape but elevates it with a futuristic twist. At the front, you're greeted by a blade-thin LED lighting signature, stretching across the entire fascia. The grille features Buick's new digital mesh pattern with chrome accents that shimmer under the light. It's bold, sculpted, and unmistakably premium. Moving to the side profile, the Riviera keeps its classic long hood, short deck proportions, but now with floating roof lines, frameless doors, and flush aerodynamic handles that pop out as you approach. The body lines carve a dynamic shape, giving the car a sense of motion even at standstill. At the rear, the coupe design finishes with a dramatic full-width LED bar, quad exhaust-style detailing, and a gently raised tail reminiscent of Riviera heritage. Massive 21-inch turbine wheels complete the luxury look, blending style with performance aerodynamics. Overall, the 2026 Riviera is a mix of elegance and electric-era futurism, bold enough to turn heads, refined enough to feel timeless. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 Buick Riviera takes luxury to the next level. The moment you open the door, you're welcomed by a wraparound glass cockpit display stretching from the driver's side all the way across the center. Buick calls it their panoramic digital command, blending a 15-inch driver display and a 14-inch infotainment system into one seamless curved panel. The materials are outstanding: hand-stitched leather, premium microfiber suede, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are sculpted sports luxury buckets with climate control, massaging functions, and customizable 30-color ambient lighting throughout the cabin. Buick also includes an upgraded Bose Quantum surround audio system, filling the cabin with studio-quality sound. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a floating wireless charger, and a dual-zone climate control system complete the tech package. The cabin layout is spacious for a coupe, offering enough legroom for comfort while still maintaining a sporty, cockpit feel. Every detail feels thoughtfully crafted. This interior sets a new standard for American luxury coupes. Under the hood, the 2026 Buick Riviera offers two impressive powertrain options. The first is a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, pushing out an estimated 410 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this setup delivers a refined yet powerful grand touring experience. For drivers craving an electrified option, Buick also offers a performance hybrid powertrain. This setup combines a turbocharged engine with dual electric motors to produce up to 480 horsepower. Thanks to an advanced battery system, the Riviera Hybrid offers impressive instant torque and improved fuel efficiency while maintaining long-range capability. No matter which engine you choose, the Riviera rides on Buick's latest magnetic ride control, giving it adaptive suspension that adjusts 1,000 times per second. The result? Smooth cruising, sharp cornering, and precise handling that transforms this coupe into a confident road machine. And that's our full review of the 2026 Buick Riviera, a luxury coupe that brings back iconic American design with futuristic technology and modern performance. What do you think of Buick's bold comeback? Is the Riviera a coupe you'd consider adding to your garage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss more reviews of the hottest 2026 models. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.